Hi guys, so welcome dito sa ating lesson 12 sa ating review ng application ng differential calculus sa ating calculus 3. So this topic is all about the curvature and the radius of curvature. So before ko i-drawing or ipakita sa inyo na ba itsura ng curvature sa radius of curvature, the rate of change of the inclination of the tangent line with respect to the length of the curvature, the reciprocal of curvature is called the radius of curvature. Okay, so paano natin gagawin? So for example lang, meron tayong drawing dito. So assuming meron tayong something na ganyan. So meron tayong graph somewhere ganyan. Okay, so di na ako magpapakita ng iba. So yung curvature meaning dun sa curve. Okay, sa curve na yan, so assuming dito, nag-form ka ng circle somewhere dyan. So kunyari, nag-form ako ng circle dyan. Okay, so assuming circle siya ha. Okay, so ngayon, itong part na to, ito yung curvature. Okay natin. So again, yung curvature pwedeng maliit, pwedeng malaki. So depende kasi binibigay natin na given. Okay, so note na yung radius of curvature dito yun. Okay, so ito yung center o center of curvature. So ito yung radius of curvature which is R. So itong part na to, ito yung K. Okay, so again, yung K na yun is part na yun. So, depende yan. So, sir, pwedeng maliit. Yes, pwedeng maliit yan totally. Kasi nga, depende sa binibigay na value na X and Y. Okay, so yan yung itsura ng ating curvature. So, sabi nga, the rate of change of the rate of inclination of the tangent line with respect to the length of the curve, the reciprocal of curvature is called the radius of curvature. Okay, we're in the formula of curvature. So, let us name curvature as K. Okay, so K is equal to Y double prime. So, meaning Y double prime at the value of X and Y all over 1 plus Y prime raised to 2 10 raised to 3 over 2. So, ang gagawin muna yung Y double, yung Y prime square mo plus add mo sa 1, then kunin mo yung erase mo siya sa 3 over 2. Tapos i-divide mo siya, ipang-divide mo siya sa Y double prime. Okay, then after nun, the radius of curvature. So, note, may nakalagay dito, no? If K is greater than 0, the curve is concave upward. Okay, so the curve concave upward. If K is less than 0, the curve is concave downward. Okay, then next, the radius of curvature is equal to R is equal to 1 over K. Note na pakilagyan to ng absolute value kasi walang radius na negative. Okay, so note na negative dapat. Yan. Absolute value. So kasi may lumalabas na curvature na negative. So kung negative siya, alam natin concave downward siya. So yung radius of curvature natin is 1 over absolute value of K. Okay, so testing na natin. So I have two example. Okay, so example number 1, find K and R of the function y is equal to 6x minus x squared at 1, 2. Okay, so ano unang gagawin? Ang unang gagawin is hanapin yung y prime sa y double prime. Then evaluate natin yung y prime sa y double prime at the value of abscissa. Okay, so since di naman mag-exist yung ating x. Okay, so proceed tayo dito. So no need to graph naman. So una, we have y is equal to 6x minus x squared. Okay, kunin natin si y prime. Note that y prime is equal to 6 minus 2x. Okay, note at 1, 2. Okay, so x is equal to 2. So x lang kasi kailangan. So sir, x is equal to 1 rather. Buti nakita ko agad. So again, since x lang yung nasa loob ng y prime natin, so x is equal to 1 lang yung gagamitin natin. So therefore, y prime is just equal sa 6 minus 2 times 1, which is equal sa y prime is equal to 4. Okay, next is kunin natin si y double prime. Okay, so si y double prime is just equal sa, galing dito kay y prime, this is just negative 2. Okay, so at 1, 2, this is just y prime is equal to negative 2. Okay, so may value tayo ng y prime saka y double prime. So proceed na tayo sa radius, sa curvature. Okay, so for curvature K, so we have K is equal to y double prime all over, this is 1 plus y prime raise sa 2, then raise sa 3 over 2. So huwag ka malilito sa ating exponent. So K is just equal sa y double prime is negative 2. Okay, all over, this is just 1 plus 4 square tas naka-raise sa 3 over 2. So note na this is just equal. So k is equal sa negative 2 over 4 square is 16 plus 1 17. So this is just 17 raised sa 3 over 2. So k is approximately, so for decimal places tayo para maganda. So negative 2 over 17 raised sa 3 over 2. Okay, so di ko nalagyan ng negative. Okay, so solve ulit. That is negative 0.2853. Okay, so therefore this is equals to negative 0.02853. Or dahil for decimal lang dapat hanggang 5 lang. Pero okay na yan. Okay, so note that the curvature is negative 0.02853. Okay, and note that the curve is concave downward. Okay, so since k, so lagyan natin no, since k is less than 0, the curve concave downward. So pakilagyan din nito dapat. So kasi importante yan. Okay, next is the radius of curvature. So ito medyo madali na. Note that the radius of curvature is just equal sa 1 over the absolute value of curvature. So note that r is just equal sa 1 over the absolute value of negative 0.02853. Okay, and that is just equal sa 1 over 0.02853, and that is 35.05. Okay, so that is 35.05. So the radius of curvature is 35.0508. Okay, so yan yung pagkuha ng ng curvature and radius of curvature. So medyo madali siya. So ngayon lagyan ko ng konting lagyan natin ng konting twist. So what if sa parametric equation natin siya nilagay? So aware ka kung paano i-solve ang parametric equation. So parametric equation, so di-differentiate natin sila with respect sa t. Okay, then saka natin i-divide yung dy over, multiply natin dy over dt sa dt over dx kung naalala mo siya. Okay, so proceed tayo sa example. So for last example, para sa ating linggong to, so chapter na to, we have x is equal to cosine 2t and y is equal to 3 cosine t when t is equal to pi over 3. So we need to find the curvature and the radius of curvature. Okay, so kung naalala mo, sir, ang gagawin po namin dyan is kukunin po namin yung y prime saka y double prime. Pero ang mahirap dito, hindi pa natin alam kung ano yung y prime. Kasi nga, tayo ay naka-parametric equation. So note na ito yung unang gagawin natin. So we have solution. So we have x is equal to cosine 2t. So differentiate with respect sa x. So this is dx over dt is just equal sa derivative ng cosine is negative sign. Tapos may 2 sa loob. So this is negative 2 sine 2t. Okay. So next is kailangan natin ng dt over dx. Okay. So that is equal sa 1 over negative 2 sine 2t. Okay, kasi yun yung kailangan natin para makuha yung dy over dx. So, ma-explain ko. Next is y is equal to 2 cosine t. So, this is dy over dt is just equal sa negative 2 sine t. Okay, so note para makuha si y prime. So, we all know that y prime is equal sa dy over dx. Wherein dy over dx is just dy over dt multiplied by dt over dx. Okay, so tama ko ng pagkakaalala. Okay, so meaning, kaya ako kinuha tong reverse ng reciprocal niya saka ito para kunin yan. Okay, so this is just equal sa negative 2 sine t multiplied by negative 2 sine 2t. Okay, so note, cancel yung negative 2. So this is just equal sa sine t over sine 2t. So note, by double angle identity, so we have sine t over 2 sine t tapos cosine t. So yun yung sine 2t, yung identity niya. Okay, so therefore this is just equal sa 1 over 2 cosine t. So this is y prime. So note, at t is equal to pi over 3. So kailangan natin siya hanapin. So this is just equal sa 1 over 2 cosine pi over 3. So evaluate natin yung pi over 3. Since naka-radian naman tayo sa calculator, okay lang to. So this is 1 over 2 cosine, so pi over 3. So siguraduhin mo naka-radian ka kung naka-radian siya. So that is equal to 1. Okay, so therefore this is equal to 1. So y prime is equal to 1. So gagamitin natin para dyan. So next is kunin natin si y double prime. Okay, so note that y prime is equal dito. Okay, proceed tayo dito. We all know that y prime is equal to 1 over 2 cosine t. Okay, so for convenient, this is y prime is equal to 1/2 secant t. Kasi 1 over cosine is secant. Okay, then differentiate again. So this is y double prime is just equal sa 1/2 secant t, then tangent t. Okay, then substitute lang ulit natin yan. So this is just equal sa y double prime is equal to 1/2 secant t tangent t at t is equal to pi over 3. Okay, so this is just equal sa 1/2 secant ng pi over 3. Okay, then times tangent ng pi over 3. Okay, so again, pwede mo na i-calculate. So again, ano yung secant? That is 1 over cosine. Okay, so similar case, that is 1/2 multiplied by, that is 1 over cosine. So tama, that is 1 over cosine ng pi over 3. So shift pi over 3. Okay, then multiplied by tangent. So that is tangent ng pi over 3 again. Okay, so the answer is square root of 3. So check natin kung tama. So para makita mo paano ko in-input. So in-input ko yung 1/2 multiplied by secant pi over 3. So secant pi over 3 is 1 over cosine pi over 3 multiplied by tangent pi over 3. So the answer is square root of 3. Okay, so therefore y double prime is equal to square root of 3. Okay, so tanong, tama na ba tayo? Hindi pa po, sir. Kailangan na po natin hanapin yung radius of curvature, or yung curvature rather. So for curvature, we have k is equal to y double prime over, this is 1 plus y prime squared, then this is raised to 3 over 2. Okay, so meaning this is just equal sa k is equal to square root of 3 over, so this is I guess 1 plus 1, y prime natin is 1, tama? So that is 1 squared, so which is 1 pa rin. Okay, then raise sa 3 over 2. Okay, then wag ka malilito dyan, baka isipin mo, sir, 1 plus 1 raise sa 3 over 2, 1. No. So that is 2 raise sa 3 over 2. So this is just k is equal to square root of 3 over 2 raise sa 3 over 2. Okay, so meaning that is square root of 3 over 2 raised sa 3 over 2. O, huwag kalimutan yung 3 over 2 na yan. So that is 0.6124. 0.6124. So k is equal to 0.6124. Then the kalimutan ko yun. Since k is greater than 0 rather. So since k is greater than 0, the curve, okay, the curve concave upward. So parang may namali ako kanina. So ito. Ay tama, since nanonood ko na the the concave downward, sorry. The curve concave upward. Then, pakibox. So, dapat nakikita ko yan. Okay, then lastly, we have the radius of curvature is equal to 1 over the absolute value of K, or simply this is 1 over 0.6124. Okay, so this is 1 divided by 0.6124. So that is 1.6329. So this is just the radius of curvature is equal to 1.6329. So 4 decimal places tayo para medyo maayos. Okay, so ganun ang gagawin natin pag may parametric equation. So again, hoping na may natutunan ka para sa preliminary natin. So again, review pa lang to ng application ng differential calculus. Wala pa tayo mismo sa calculus 3. So thank you for watching, hoping na nag-enjoy ka.